Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to create Boolean expressions or how to frame questions. And in today's class we'll learn into today we will learn AND operator. AND operator is one of the logical operator out of three, AND, which is 2 ampersand if you remember from the last class, or and not. Now, when you have two Boolean expressions and you connect those two using an AND operator, then what really happens is what we will learn in this class. Let's take an example. We say that one must be 18 years or old. I'm reading this part. One must be 18 years or old and accompanied by your parents to drive a car. You can see clearly there are two questions. Are you 18 or not? And second, are you with your parents or not? So we can write those two expressions and we can say, let's say a variable called age and say, is age greater than equal to 18? And second variable is with parents and answer is true or false. And if we are saying if with parents is true and you are more than 18, so naturally you can see the word and, that means we are going to connect these two using 2 ampersand here. That's how you will create a, what I call it, refer also as complex Boolean expression, because now you have compound Boolean expression. Now you have more than one Boolean expression, right? But the point is what really happens to what is the final result of this expression, right? There are 4 possibilities if you look at it. The first possibility is, let's say age is 18 and yes, you are with your parents. Are you allowed to drive? Answer is yes. But let's say age is 15 and you are with your parents. So one of the condition is true, but this condition is false. Then are you allowed to drive? Answer is no, because the problem statement clearly said that both this and this. So one is false, another is true, so you are not going to drive. In this case, let's say age is 18, but you are not driving with your parents. Again, you will not be able to drive, primarily because only one expression, this one is true, but this one is false. And in this case, you are not allowed to drive. In the last case, your age is 15, that means the first expression is false. And you're also not driving with your parents. So this expression is also false. And in this case, false and false, are you going to drive? Naturally, you will not. Obviously, you will not, right? So one thing, this is what is depicted with this example I wanted to show you. And you can take your own examples. Find a problem statement where you have two expressions and play with the data and see what happens. Do you get a final result as true or do you get final result as false? This is what is shown here in this example, in this table, where we are saying when one expression is true and another expression is also true, then final result will always be true. And this is another example of truth table. When one is true and another one is false, answer is false. When first one is false and another is true, then answer is also false. And when both are false, then also answer is false. The easy way to remember is, since it is and is more restrictive. That means all the conditions have to be true. So if any one of is not true, then result is always false. Only one condition is where the result is true. Rest everything else is answer is false. It's easy to remember when you are using AND expression. That's all in today's class. In next class, we'll focus on OR operator and see what happens. See you guys in the next class. Definitely practice, take time, practice, because practice is the only way to learn coding. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.